All right, dudes. A lot of you guys asked me for this video script, so I'm gonna go ahead and shoot it for you. I got the kids inside, so here I'll go ahead and post this in the blog post too. But a lot of people ask me like, what would you do if you're in the process of buying or selling real estate? So here's the intro. Over the last couple of weeks, everything seemed to just freeze. But what happened? Start over. Over the last couple of weeks, everything seemed to just freeze. But what happened to everyone who is literally in the process of buying or selling real estate? And what do those people do right now? Hi, I'm Mike Cuevas with Big Black Realty, and over the last couple of weeks, things have been unprecedented. But everything is not all bad news, actually. In our business, we've actually seen many houses close and a lot actually go under contract. But in truthfulness, we've also seen some contracts fall apart. We've also seen buyers hold off. And the same with sellers. A lot of people, honestly, are scared right now, and rightfully so. So on this video, what I'm going to do is walk you through what you can be doing proactively should you be in the process of buying or selling, or maybe you were about to be. And it's not all that bad. So let's be honest. You have a lot of time right now. So the first thing I want to do is walk you through what you could be doing if you're planning on selling your house. Because the truth is, you could probably be doing a lot. How your house shows is everything. So the number one thing I would do is take the time to declutter and remove all that junk. The more spacious your house is going to be, the better. You might also want to take on a couple DIY home improvement projects to get your house ready for sale once everything is back to normal. Maybe take on a project a week or so on and so on. Here's another thing I would do. Go ahead and insert right here, guys, whatever the hell you're going to talk about. Go ahead and put it in there. Transition over here. And what you could do is make this a new scene. Like every time you transition, just be in a new scene. You could shoot this easily in your house. Just break up the scenes accordingly. That's why I broke up the intro and I broke up the body. I would definitely break up the scenes here, just so you have a different feel on it. Now let's talk about the people who are thinking about buying. Repeat that. Now let's think about the people who are actually thinking about buying or buying after they sell their existing house. First, if the situation has not hurt you financially and nothing has changed for you from a financial point of view, right now actually might be a good time for you to patiently wait for that right deal. There's a lot of ways agents are still creatively able to show homes. Online, you can basically see everything with pictures, or they might have videos on it. If not, there's a lot of agents that are actually going out and previewing properties for people, doing videos and sending it back. One of the bright spots of the situation has been the effect on interest rates, which has been great. They're still extremely low, which makes housing extremely affordable. Another thing I would be on the lookout to if you're buying a house is, this would be something that you guys would go ahead and put in your own opinion on there. I would suggest credit improvement. There's a lot of stuff. You guys know what to do. You're a real estate agent, so you guys do what you want. But put your spin on it right here. Okay, this could be a start of another scene, another backdrop. At the end, go ahead and close this out. On a serious note, I'll post another video as soon as I hear about any other community information posted, and please help our small business any way you can, in addition to the community, so we can all band together. Stay positive. I know it's something, and do something you'll enjoy. Found a lot of ways to keep ourselves occupied. I'll post more videos as we continue this crisis. Hopefully you enjoy them, and it gives you something to do. My name is Mike Cuevas with Big Black Realty. Thanks for watching, and if you need to buy or sell a house, give me a call. I wear a mask. I don't know, whatever you guys want to do. All right. Hope this helps. Go ahead and execute. Peace.